Hey guys, Brian Burke here with Burke Studios. I just want to show you real quick how to attach our custom heads to a multiple variety of action figures. Right here we have Borges from the Mythic Legions line, and this right here is the Verto Orc that I created. They come unpainted, but I happen to paint this one. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you real quick. This right here is the Loctite Fun Tack. It's right here in this package. This is not a sponsored video, it just so happens to be the product I'm using right now. For a limited time, all my heads come with a piece of this. So when you order a head off of burkestudios.com, you get some of that Fun Tack to attach the heads. So basically you put a little bit right there on that ball joint. The sockets here on my sculpts are universal, so it'll fit different types of action figures. You simply press the head onto the Fun Tack and it stays on really, really well. It will not come off. You can pose it, turn it in different directions. The great thing is you could take it off, you could scoop the Fun Tack out, reuse it. It doesn't damage the model or the action figures at all. It's clean, comes off clean. And you have that kind of articulation with the head. You can go anywhere, get all kinds of expressions, and it stays on really well. So there you have it. For a limited time, you do get the Fun Tack with each head purchase. You just go over to burkestudios.com and check out the pieces over there. There's a couple others that you can check out too. Pretty awesome stuff. So go take a look, but easy stuff. Real easy. You can use that Fun Tack for your other custom heads from other cool artists as well. So there you have it. Brian Burke here, Burke Studios. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys later.